You won't believe what I just found tucked away in the heart of Greer, South Carolina. This is 206 Carey Avenue, a turnkey ranch with brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring installed in 2025. You get multiple living areas, including an oversized main living room and a cozy separate den with a fireplace. Plus, a huge extra flex room that's perfect for a home office, media room, gym, or game room. You're just minutes from downtown Greer dining, shopping, and easy commutes to both Greenville and Spartanburg. The major updates are already done. Brand new roof in 2024, new concrete driveway in 2025, and a fenced backyard. Out back, you get a covered 2-car carport and a 10 by 20 storage building powered with electricity for your workshop. 3 beds, 2 baths, and unbelievable versatility. Tap the link in the description below to get the complete property information or DM us right now to book your private tour before it's gone.